Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to recover deleted messages from WhatsApp or Messenger or Telegram or any messaging application or social media application. A very simple way. I will share with you a free application that has a free version and a paid version. We will only use the free version. It is enough before starting the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. And let us start the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to this application located below the video in the first pinned comment. After that, click here on this arrow here. You will choose the applications from which you want to recover messages. For example, I will choose WhatsApp and Messenger. After that, click on this arrow here. Here in this box, it tells you that you have to give it permissions to access notifications. And the important thing is to give all the signals. The permissions you need, only click on the sky here after that. Give it permissions, then click on Allow. Give it permissions and so on. You give it permissions for 4 things here. After that, my friend, click on the check mark here, and this interface will pop up for you. Congratulations now, my friend. Any message you receive, for example, on WhatsApp or a message on Messenger, will also reach this application. And when it reaches this application, it will not be deleted if that person deletes it. For example, I will send a message like this to myself from the computer to the phone. I will send a message. Here is the message. It has arrived. As you can see, it arrived on Messenger and also arrived in this application. And if you delete the message from Messenger, it will not be deleted in this application as well. And the same applies to WhatsApp and applies to all other applications. If you want to add any other application to retrieve messages from it, just click on the plus sign here and choose the application you want. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.